Here we got a 64 Corvette, Chevy Corvette, side pipes on it. 327, the old 327 with the small main journals in it and stuff. So it revs up higher. You're always better off with a small block in these actually. You always see the big blocks get the big attention, but small blocks put out a lot of horsepower if you've got them set up right. Besides, you can always put a 383 stroker in one of these things. And, you know, you put out 400 horse easy, right? Yeah, well, this is convertible. That's a hard top on there. See? I always thought that was so cool with the radio going vertical like that, you know? They didn't have room to put them in, so they did that. This looks cool. But the handling characteristics on a small block is a lot better than the big block. Like I said, like you got a 380. You don't want to not go original. You just get a 383 stroker. You get the easy 400 horse out of that thing. And the filler up cap is back there. No trunk on the 64s. Trunk is actually like got to get in there. A lot of times they used to do is they put a third light. They'd have 3 lights on each side. I saw it because, you know, I worked with a guy in a body shop that did custom Corvettes too a lot. Concours Code custom Corvettes. He painted those cars. And that was in demand, putting the third light there in the back. I saw only one of them like that over here the whole time I've been here, where they had 3 lights on each side. And I also saw one that had the lace paint job. That was common back then, lace and flames and geometrics, and nobody's doing that shit no more, man. It's kind of easy to do. The lace is actually very easy to do.